But we are going to try a thing. Not say a word, you know, man. Here my people are one fish. One dive after I storm, you know. This I dive after I storm, you know, my people. One yellowtail snapper. I don't know. Elder. So watch I know now. I roll back for some clip. I'm going to see the dive. Because I shoot that one there off camera still, but you don't know. But I have show you the dive said where the water is for 100. Water kind of dirty. But we still there. We are give thanks. Said we to the Almighty himself. And you don't know. Just go and stay tuned and watch it clip them. You hear me people? Welcome back me. I will say this is the day that Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, my people. You hear me people? You know after the storm dive this, you know. See no circle yet. But we're going to try a thing. You can't see what I go on. See no so circle. Water look so clean. But we're going to try a thing. Don't say a word, you know, man. Yeah, my people. So what you know? One little fish me get today, you know, so remember. Yeah, I go try do a little catch and cook. Cause you don't know, see how you go already. As me say already, this is the one before after the storm. So we're gonna try a little thing. Wanna just go and stay tuned and watch what I go and get him clean up and cook up. So wanna just stay tuned. Yeah. That is it, my people. Alright, my peeps, you know, clean and nice. Clean and nice and pretty, my peeps. So, just go and stay tuned and watch a little cook up here. Probably eat him with some soft boiled banana. That is it, my people, see, eh? Two half. I have no part for cook him walla. This is how I'm going to stay. Alright, then just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. Oh, yeah. That is it. Alright, my people, so I'm going to season him up with little jerk seasoning. I'm going to put not much. Little jerk seasoning and little all-purpose. Little all-purpose seasoning. So what I'm going to do is fuse them here together and then rub him up with it, you know. Mix it up and then, you know, put them in there. So I mix it up like this. Mix it up until the season becomes homogeneous. Just like so. And then I go rub it in the fish. Take time and seasoning up. So when I go do people a brown stew, I go brown stew. So I just go and stay tuned. Alright, so I go ahead now and put the season in him. Now the little cut, little slice I make. You know. Just like so. Just like that. See me now this little basin here. But So after now, I make this stay for probably about the next half an hour and marinate. Then I go fry, but not so deep because I want a little juice in it. I want it to be juicy, so that's how I look in my plate. So I'm just going to stay tuned and watch when we're ready to fry them up. Give me people, so I'm going to oil up the pot right about now. And I'm going to fry the fish. I'm going to fry up the fish right now. So I just put some oil in the pot, my peeps. So I'm going to fry. I'm going to cut a piece of pepper. See? Piece of pepper. Cut in the pot, make it fry. So that can go right through the fish. Okay, that is it. Right, the people see what I'm going to. Fish marinate, you know what yeah. That is it. Yeah, let's do it like that, you know. Come on, you do this one. Now, if you like to take it over there. That is it, my people. Try to get them as golden brown as possible, you know, and then too crisp. And then we cook them up, you know. As you said, the brown stew, we have it. The fish can see texture, nice golden brown quality. And then already one in fried crisp, this one in brown, and then I got two of them then. And I just want to stay tuned. I put some banana in the pot there. However, as I say, we're going to eat with some banana, you know. And then put the people, so you look the banana then. Soft boiled banana. Alright, my people, so I get some vegetable ready now to stew down the fish. Let me tell you, I brown stew. So I get some, cut up some carrot, and I cut up some onion and some pepper inside of it. You don't know, you just go and stay tuned and watch what I'm going to do, my people. I'm going to make them steam down a little bit first before I put the fish in there, because I don't want the fish to get too soggy, because I don't fry crisp. I just barely, you know, halfway brown it, you know, make it dry, fry it dry, because I want little little substance, you know, little juice in the fish. So cut up some carrots and some onion. Many people you don't know, we don't have no light, you know, so we just improvise. Because this is after the storm as me make you know from before. So after the storm, catch and cook, you know. So yeah. Alright. So that is it, my people. So go and stay tuned and watch what I go. Alright, the people, so I go there. We're so busy the pot with some extra virgin olive oil. Watch you now. You see that? Not too greasy pot too much, just a little bit like that. Some extra virgin olive oil. Spread the oil a little. Strew me, I go strew down the fish in the beets. The yellow tail snapper. Alright. That is it. So right about now, put in the vegetable seasoning them. Kind of make it salty a little. Put some all-purpose salico tubes. Spin it around. I make the second first in the people before in a steam little. Before we put in the fish. So I'm going to tip a little beany tip of water. Probably about half cup. You see? Okay. And make it one simmer a little. And a low fire in the people. As you remember that. So fire real low, make it go and simmer. Here my people. So by this you know say the vegetable is supposed to steam upon that. Here my people. You know say the light probably a bit poor, but you don't know. Storm, hurricane, we don't have no electricity yet. So we have to improvise, you know. So I will go ahead now and add my fish. As we say, put it on low fire, low heat, real. So here. That is it, my people. then put some juice over them, just like so. Now make this sit for about another 3 minutes and then ready to serve. See that, my peeps? Make this steam for a little while and then ready to serve. Alright, that is it now. Yes, my people, see, finished product. Yeah, look at that. And if you can't see it good enough, as me say, lighting, so wonderful. What I it is. Then when I'm going to dive in there and get some, you know, so momentarily, go in, right? Alright, my peeps. Dive in at this. Nice, you know, look at that, That is it, my people. As me say, lighting kind of poor, but you know, we are work with it still. Want the tail part of the fish. So maybe my mother will be eating. It's my juice, my piece. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. So as me say before, some banana we have do this with it. Watch it. When it's clean. That is it. Look at that. How do you remember that?
Thank you.
I want the camera to see you.
No.
Alright, the people. So we call that one here brown stew snapper with boiled banana. Yeah. You people, you know, say, I have to take a taste. You know, yeah? You're right, not sure. It's hot pepper, but not much. Very nice, man.
Pepper too. Pepper.
This is nice.
And pepper and Pepsi can Peppers.
Yeah, my people, so that is it, you know. And this is my first vlog since it's time, so I don't know. Just go and bear me and I'll get some more content. Alright, my people. Blessings. Remember, stay tuned for the next legendary adventure. Alright?